What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another crispy haircut video with the waves. Y'all see them waves? My man's swimming. But without further ado, let's hop into this video. Alright, y'all, I'm about to give him a Dark Caeser, even all the way around. I'm about to give him a taper fade on the side and in the back. Alright, y'all, I'm using the Andes T outliners against the grain, making our first guideline for this fade. Alright, y'all, when I'm fading, when I'm going up about an inch and everything like that, I always go with the grain to debulk the hair. So when it's time for me to flick it out with the corners to get the little line out, it'll be much easier. I won't have to fight with a clunk of hair, and it'll just be so much more smoother. Trust me. Y'all, it's very important when you are fading. It's very important to keep brushing that hair down, because if you keep going up, you keep going against the grain and keep flicking at it, and you don't brush the hair down, you might be cutting off too much, or you might cut off a big clunk of hair. So make sure that y'all always keep brushing the hair down every 1 or 2, 3 strokes, and then you brush the hair right back down. That way everything will be nice and smooth, and it's gonna blend in well. Now it's time to start using those corners like I was just saying. You have to really pay attention to everybody's hair. Everybody's hair is different. So this guy, his hair is like pretty manageable. So if I'm using the corners, it's pretty much easier for me to fade. But if his hair was like a little bit more coarse or anything else like that, then I might have a little tough time. I might have to flick at it a little bit more. But just really pay attention to the hair, how it lays. If this person has waves, then obviously his hair is gonna lay. For those of you out there that don't know, combing your waves helps with the connections in your waves. It helps take out those forks and help keep the 360 going. Quick tip, if you don't want your guard slipping off, make sure you keep your finger at the back of the guard on the back of the clipper. If you keep your finger there, the guard will not come off. Me personally, y'all, I like to use spritz. I like to use the spritz to keep the hair laid down. So when I'm lining them up, the lineup will come out real crispy. I just use the neck strip just so I won't have to spray it all in his face. I hate when barbers do that. They spray it all on the client's face. Remember, the clients don't want all of that sticky stuff all over their face. So make sure you keep them nice and neat. When y'all running out of anything in the spray can, just squeeze the bottle. It'll come out more. It'll put more air pressure into it, so you can spray out some. Anyways, for all y'all barbers out there that always just go ahead and just start spraying the black spray on people, y'all stop doing that and just ask the people first. Y'all be messing up. Y'all need to own up to y'all mess ups, man. Try to perfect y'all craft a little bit more. But if y'all have to, do it. But just let the client know so you won't be shortchanging them and stuff like that. I hate when clients get shortchanged. This pencil that I'm using is called a Barber pencil. I got it on Amazon. I tried to look in Sally's and other beauty supply stores that didn't have it. So, you know, just check out on Amazon if you happen to give up about that pencil. So. Here we go, y'all. Nice finished product, nice crispy cut. Y'all let me know how y'all like this video in the comment section. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to my channel, man. I'm doing this for y'all. Y'all want any more tips or y'all gonna give me some tips, whatever the case may be. I love y'all. See y'all later.